guys, today we're going to be hosting into this world that I'm doing right now. In a minute, when I get the join code. Oh, that's how. Okay, it's locating the server right now. Done. Where's the village? Oh no, the village is miles and miles away. The village is miles and miles away. The village is miles and miles away. That's why give me a give me a sword, you little naughty boy. You little naughty boy. And don't forget, I'm gonna just be so mean to you and teleport you all the way back. Just keep that in mind, that you've been teleported back. What? This is my first time seeing one of them. A desert-like looking, weird-looking castle thingy. Or something. Or thingy something. I don't know, but look, this is my first time seeing one. Well, not in Minecraft, but in this desert biome. As you might know, I see the desert temple. All I have to do now is just, and take quite a lot of damage. I'm trying to find like the cool looking shop, I don't know what you call it, but like, oh, a well! What, 2 pieces of rotten flesh? How bad is that? I'm just gonna try and find the, yes! Found it again! Now I can grab all the loots from the chest. Oh, this time it has worse loots. Because before, like, I'll save this iron sword for, well, I'll have 2 swords. This sword will be for Ryan. Well, Renee, as you might know. There, take this, your sword. Enjoy it. And love it. And kiss it. Do whatever you want with it. I'm just going to use my iron sword, but as you might know, I'll get for the desert temple and head out for the thing. So he would just, these the temple. Did I just mine with it? I thought you weren't able to mine. These the desert temple. Oh, our dreams. The desert temple. And by the way, where's the librarian looking guy? Oh, he's right there. Does he want to trade me for some good stuff? Yes, he's won 36 diamonds? You gotta be kidding me. I'm just gonna get a whole bunch of diamonds and yeah. I'm gonna get a whole bunch of emeralds, not diamonds. But I'm also going to get some of the loot that I haven't got yet. But before I do, I'll stay on survival and see what this guy has to give me. What? When I place the emerald in front of him, he like holds like the book, okay? At least I have some emeralds, but I'm gonna be kind of in here. Yeah. Here, I'll give you all my emeralds. Happy emeralds are money, did you know? You could go back and trade the villagers some emeralds. I'm gonna see which one. Okay, you can take the emerald and trade any villager you want. What about this villager? Ooh! Can you please give me 1 emerald, please? What are you doing? What? Flinny, give me 1 emerald, please. Just give me 1 emerald. Give me 1. I gave them all to you, so yeah. So yeah. You gonna give me what? And I might. What? The 3 emeralds? What? 25? Okay, I only need 3. So I'll give you. Okay, I'll take 8 instead. Ah, this guy. Okay, for some soup. Okay, thanks. I would really need some soup if I were you. Yep. And I'm just gonna head to the desert temple. Flinny, are you following or not? Your choice. Oh, look. I'll go and explore that next. Stay there, Flinny. I'm going to explore that next. Whatever that's called. I forgot the name. But it looks quite cool. So I'm gonna do that. First, I will head to the desert temple. And I hope I don't set off any of the traps. I hate the traps. And that's what happened last time. Ryan set off a trap when I told him not to. And he even thought it would be funny. So yeah, that's why I hate him. If he does it one more time, I'm gonna ban him from the game by using this command. Okay, well, or I might end up banning myself. I don't know, but yeah. I'm gonna mine up this bit of sand. Whoa! That was a large hole. I'm just gonna mine up the pressure plate. Good. Oh, nothing so good, but yeah, I still want to take it. Oh! Better stuff. Wow! Even more better stuff. Okay, more horse armor. Okay, that's just bad. Okay, all I have to do now is just teleport to Flinny. Thank you for staying here like I told you to. Now I'm heading for the other thing. This is going to be so cool. Can you please come with me, Flinny? Flinny? Flinny! He just wouldn't listen. Okay, I guess I can't show him the cool thing. Yeah, I'm just going to keep it to myself as secret. Well, it's not so cool, but... What the? No, you gotta be kidding me. These have been all destroyed? But how? I don't know how, but yeah, they just got destroyed. Okay. Stay right here. Follow me. I'm showing you something cool. Then we can head back to the book. What? You are poisoned? Look, there's the strange thing. Look right there. That's not normal at all. Okay? I'm gonna start fighting some illagers or pillagers or whatever they are called. Flinny, you gotta come and help me because there will be some loots up there, I guess. There it is. Oh, there's another village. Oh man, that's some village madness. What? How is that cow just floating? The cow was just floating. Cool. And okay. Okay, it must be just a dream, but where's Flinny now? Flinny, follow me. Flinny! Don't! They have enchanted bows! What were you thinking? They could kill you! And then you'll lose all your emeralds! They told you what to Yeah, you can't kill. Stay right there, okay? I'll come to save you by killing the pillager or illager. Stay there, don't move, okay? Or you'll die. From the pillager! Yes, I killed it. I killed it. There's so much pillagers. Okay, that's it. I can't kill anymore because you've already killed me. That's why I hate you. Where did the golem iron go? Oh, no! Okay, that's it. That's it. You didn't listen. That's all your fault now. I gave you chance of life. What? A chest? Oh, just some buns. Don't worry. I should grab it. At least he's loose. What the? There's a campsite! Oh, no. There. Where did you go? Where is it? Where did it go? We just lost. We're lost. Okay, that's it. I'm going in creative. It should be there. But how did we reach? Is this the right village or is this another? Yes! I found where we died. But how? Did we spawn here instead of there? Wait, I'm going. Okay. Look, there's all my stuff. We gather all my stuff back. I am so happy. Give me all my stuff back. At least I have all my stuff back now. I missed all my stuff so much. At least I got all of them back, or I could have just got stranded. That's nothing. What are you doing? Oh, give me one, okay? Find where I am and give me one, okay? Give me one. Just find one and give it to me. Where are you? What? You dropped everything too? Oh, thank you for giving me all of your loot. Oh no, those are pillagers. I guess I'll have to fight. No. All I'm doing is just fighting that pillager! Pillager! Die, pillager! Pillagers are so annoying, you know? Pillagers are just so annoying. Okay. Bye. Oh, I might go up this stable, this secret base. Because there's normally a chest at the top. Yes, I killed that one. Before it could kill me. Hello? No, it shot an arrow at me. Okay, that's it. I'm going to get all my stuff back in creative AGEN. Guys, I'll end the video here. Bye, guys.